Alright, today we got a serious oddball race. We have the super rare Honda Cub versus the not so rare K100. As you can see, this thing's a real piece of crap. We got it for free. Haven't put any money into it other than the duct tape to hold the gauges on. And 2 new bolts down there because the kickstand fell off. See, this thing's in mint condition. Watch out. Let me see that petcock. Look at that. Extra fluid on the forks, that's just coming out. Then we got the Honda Cub. I swear this thing's never been this dirty before, but basically flawless. A couple things here and there. Alright, why don't you start them up? Let's hear that. Alright. Well, Luke, you didn't make the old K look very good.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. That's what happens when you talk trash. You get beat. Right,
well,
Luke?
I want to see about that. Let me see the K.
Alright, so his big brother thinks he's going to have better luck trying to beat the Cub. I don't think it's going to happen, but we'll see. first so I can pass him and really make him look bad.
I almost went out in the first turn. We'll see y'all this time. Stop when the old man couldn't take it anymore. Couldn't
My
catch
chain's
up.
falling off. Let me see the camera.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm not making excuses.
Can you remember this thing?
Hold on. I value the cub a little bit, and you can't really see it, but listen, turn your motor off, Jack. Listen, the chain's falling off, and I'm not going to keep going just to... You can see I can pull it off the back sprocket. So, Cub's far superior. And I'm a far superior rider. Right, Nick?
Oh, yeah. You gotta know yourself. You definitely are.
What do you think, Jack? You want to race him? You're more in his league. Or he's more in your league, I should say.
Yeah, dude! Did you see that? Yeah, I did. You went with the smoke.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. That was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it.